Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing sea bream fillets with a nice Salsa Verdé. So for today's ingredients we're going to be using basil, coriander, tarragon, dill, flat leaf parsley, anchovy fillets and Dijon mustard. Right, so as you can see what I've done is I've mixed it all together, and that's because it's all going to be creating a nice sauce, and what we're going to do is we're just going to chop it all down and get it all really fine. Now the only reason I've done this is because all the ingredients are going to be mixed together anyway with the olive oil and the Dijon mustard along with the anchovies. So to make the process easier, I've just put it all together just like that. Perfect, so now we've got it all chopped down, we're just going to put it into our little glass bowl like that. And then the next step is the anchovy fillets. So anchovies, what we're going to do, 3 or 4 fillets out like that, and we're just going to cut down. And we want them quite small little chunks. And we're going to do the same process as we did with the herbs. So now that's finished, we're just going to add those to the bowl as well. Now what we're going to do while this one's finished is we're going to get a bit of olive oil. So what we're going to do with our olive oil is we're going to add 250 milliliters into a measuring jug. Like that. Just going to pour it in. Just like that. So next is the Dijon mustard, and we're going to have 2 tablespoons of that. But while we do it, we're going to have to whisk slowly so it doesn't split and it binds together nicely. And it should look a little something like that. Now we're just going to put some olive oil and some light seasoning on the sea bream before it goes into the hot pan. So because these are really small fillets, they're literally going to take about 2 minutes each side. So we'll just flip these ones over. I'm going to put that on there for about another 2 minutes. Brilliant, so now that you've cooked it for another further 2 minutes, just take it off the heat. Like that. And we're just going to add our Salsa Verdé to the top. Like that. So there you go guys, that's my sea bream with Salsa Verdé. Remember to like, subscribe and get that notification bell on, and thank you for watching.